We're here today in Backmuir Woods Local Nature Reserve in Hamilton, and it's a wonderful area of native woodland. It stretches all the way from East Kilbride Expressway right through to Bothwell Road Park in Whitehill. On a day like today, walking through the bluebells underneath these wonderful oak trees and listening to the birdsong, you get a real sense of wildness. And it's easy to forget that you're in an urban woodland surrounded by houses, shops and busy roads. And that's the beauty of this place. It's so close to the community. It's easy to take time out for a walk or simply to enjoy some peace in nature. We're working on our Get Outdoors South Lanarkshire project, which is a partnership between South Lanarkshire Countryside and Green Space and Voluntary Action South Lanarkshire. And the project is all about encouraging people to get to know the nature reserve. We've been working with schools, mapping walks, doing daily mile walks, and we've been working with parents as well, doing Wednesday wellbeing walks. We've had the local community also run a health walk. We've had outdoor play activities and we've had green health activities, and these are all about just getting people to know the area and to feel comfortable to come and use it.
We are Bothwell Road Action Group. We are a local community group that supports the development of Bothwell Road Park and the Backmuir Woods in Hamilton. So today we're taking part in our weekly health walks, which take part every Sunday. It's great to have Backmuir Woods on our doorstep. A lot of people don't know about it and the benefits it can give to their general health and wellbeing.
We also work with Clydesdale community initiatives and local volunteers to carry out tasks on the site to manage it for the benefit of nature and also to keep the footpaths open for people to enjoy. We know that taking time out for a walk or just spending some time in nature is really good for our well-being. And this is the perfect place to do it, being situated right in the heart of a community and within walking distance of so many places.